So for this project, we're gonna be fixing the hole. You can see this whole area, and the Yeezys is like pretty tore up. So what I'm using to fix it, I'll show you. We're gonna be using some glue sticks, some Gorilla Glue. You'll need a lighter, some kind of torch, and an X-Acto knife. You're using some shoe glue to cover up or seal the area, and some scissors. For here, I'm gonna get my glue stick, put that there, and we're gonna measure this out, the bracket. I think it's about like that. Okay, so right there, we're gonna hold that, and we're gonna snip it. Now, I'm gonna get my lighter and my knife, and I'm gonna cut this piece in half. So I'm gonna heat my blade up for about, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then we're just gonna cut our piece in half. Okay. I like to do that on both sides. And we're gonna split that in two, just like so. You should end up with 2 half pieces. Then you're gonna get that piece, you're gonna get some Gorilla Glue, and you're gonna put that on and rub it on. Okay, both sides. Hold this with my fingers because I don't want it to stick. Just like so. Then we're gonna place that on that bracket. Just like so. I want to use something to press it down. And you can see it's pretty much stuck up there. You can see you could bend it, you could pluck them. Okay, so for this part, we're gonna be filling this area right here to set these in place. I don't want them moving anywhere. So what we're gonna be using is some shoe glue. Got a stick in there. I put the cap from one of these bottles on top of here, and it fit perfectly. So from right here, we're just gonna fill that in. Once we get that filled, just plug that back up. Now, I'm gonna get some ice. I've been letting this sit. Waiting for this moment. That's his job. I'm gonna get some ice, and we're gonna flatten it and mold it into place. Into those areas, like so. Okay. Got me a bigger piece of ice, and then making sure it has like that traction, like those. I want to feel the ripples. So that's why I'm going in the center here, and then I'm gonna go down. Now, while those edges are kind of damp, I'm just gonna get my knife and cut away at the edges to make everything sharp, as sharp as I can. You know, just to make it look as neat as possible. Then we're gonna let that dry, and that's gonna be sealed in. Trust me, that's gonna be good. It's gonna give them a lot more wear. Join Footprints today and become a member to receive notifications for 40 to 50% off discounts and free sneaker restoration ebooks. You can also earn cash by sharing DIY sneaker restoration products. More details will be in the description or in the comments.
Sneaker Restoration by Footprints. Footprints has over 50 sneaker restoration products to choose from, which makes fixing your sneakers easy. And if you need help, join our sneaker restoration classes.
Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.